Hello, it's time to wash the car. The car, since I gave it to my father last time, he went to the mountains and it's very dirty. So I brought it to a special place. I don't know if you can see, no, it's too sunny. Professionals, they will make it very clean because it's very dirty. Look how dirty it is right now. We will see the difference later. This is salty water from the sea. It's winter time, it's cold, and I don't feel good to wash it by the hand right now. This is our car right now. First we wash the inner part with the vacuum cleaner. back in the car. Looks very clean and shiny from inside, also from the outside. 10 euros the cost. They are using a lot of materials, a lot of layers of working. They spray, then they wash, they spray again. I will film also outside, and then we put oil, lots of things. Okay, that's the final result. Look how clean it is now. Here it was brown from the dirt. Because on Friday we have got a road trip and it must be clean. We will go to Kefalonia Island. It looks very nice and shiny now. Patras, it's our sponsor. And here they put something like an oil. I don't know. Okay, and this, the mats, they need to be dry a little bit more. So, now I'm charging. Okay, I think so. This was the video for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and see you at the next video. Bye bye.